Meghalaya Cabinet Minister and Williamnagar MLA Marcuise N Marak has dismissed reports of the Garo National Liberation Army Gnla regrouping in the Garo Hills, calling them baseless. Marak noted that the poor infrastructure previously allowed militant activities, but emphasized that improved road connectivity now ensures better monitoring. He also credited government schemes like the CM Elevate and Focus for providing opportunities that deter youth from militancy. Reaffirming the region's stability, he urged upon those with grievances, including former militants, to engage with the government for solutions.
No, there's no such news now. There's no such news. It was only some, I think, rumors that there are regrouping of the journalists. There's no such regrouping in practical. Nowadays, roads are accessible to every villages. When there was Gnla NBC's long time back, 7 years back, no road communications were there. To cross the Simsang River, it is very difficult. You have to cross by boat only. So they get the advantage. But now you go to other side of the Simsang River, lots of bridges are there, so many roads are there, and then remotest part of the village is also connected with roads. So therefore, no chance of coming, regrouping, nothing. And in fact, all the villagers are also not supportive now. Even if some people comes up, then definitely government will be able to, identify at the earliest possible time. No, whoever is not satisfied, let them come forward. There's no, full stop on anything. So let them come forward to the government. We can discuss. We can find out ways and means. There's no such complaint. I've been very accessible to people. I'm very much, in connection with most of the youth. So nobody talks about that.